again insisting
so Jharkhand
that
High
he
Court,
wants some other name. Now
so Jharkhand High Court, I'm looking at recent cases. Jharkhand High Court, Ajit Kumar versus State of Jharkhand, 10th May 2002. I don't know if you've seen this case. Mr. Ranjit Kumar, it can demolish your argument. It says that in this particular case of what our learned friend Mr. Vikas Singh is saying about the governor and his discretion, it says the power conferred upon the governor under the said act, which is Article 163 of the Constitution, has to be exercised in accordance with the procedure provided under the rules of executive business. In other words, the governor, while exercising under Section 3 of the act, has to act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. I thought this was a settled issue. Now we are reopening a whole can of worms.
No, this is not the settled issue.
You think it's not a settled?
No, Arnab, I'll tell you one thing. When you are looking at the appointment of a watchdog for the state, and if the watchdog has to be independent, then whatever name that the Chief Justice is an impartial body.
No, I think
so. The Chief Justice, if he is exercising, if he's insisting on a particular name, and if the Chief Justice has also examined, and mind you, Chief Justice of every High Court is from a different state. He's not a local person, you know that.
I thought... So
since 1980 onwards, every High Court has a Chief Justice who is from outside the state. He is never from the same state.
One second. Here's the situation.
That is applicable across the board in the entire country.
You know, for a citizen, Vikas Singh, Shakti Singh Goyal raised his hand. For a citizen will say, Vinod Sharma, let me come to you because you also wanted to come in. But after Shakti Singh Goyal, question is, let me take the case of Karnataka. Who is going to appoint a neutral governor? Is Governor Bhardwaj, with his impeccable record of political neutrality, in a better position to appoint a impeccable governor? Or is the erstwhile Yediyurappa, who is rumored to be still running the government effectively, in better position to appoint a Lokayukt? Who will appoint a better Lokayukt?
You missed my point.
No, Bhardwaj or Yediyurappa?
You missed my point.
Shakti Singh Goyal.
No, Arnav, you missed my point.
I'll say that is why the Supreme Court has also said that primacy of the opinion of the Chief Justice. Chief Justice is an independent person, and names suggested by the Chief Justice should be accepted by everybody. If you have a copy of the judgment, today's verdict, paragraph 103, 104 is a clear-cut answer to all these questions. Whether governor has acted rightly or wrongly, Honorable High Court in its own wisdom very wisely in paragraph 103 and 104 of today's judgment very rightly and wisely explain that why the decision of the governor is right. And if we read paragraph 103, 104, I think the situation will be crystal clear.
Arnab, the point that is to be understood is that the governor is not exercising a discretion which is to be, from her own personal mind.
Yeah.
This is a discretion which the governor is exercising on the basis of a recommendation of the Chief Justice of the High Court, who is not, and High Court is not supposed to be, the High Court is not supposed to be either the state government or the central government. High Court is supposed, and otherwise also the Chief Justice is from outside.
No, here is the governor, here's the situation.
The discretion is not her own discretion.
No, how come it's not the own discretion?
Why I am saying that?
It will be the discretion.
It is a discretion. It is a discretion tempered by a judicial view of the Chief Justice, who has recommended very strongly for the appointment of a particular person.
So one second, it's a very serious matter, because I have read the judgment which is being referred to by Mr. Shakti Singh Goyal, and the charge against the Narendra Modi government is open resistance of the Council of Ministers headed by the Chief Narendra Modi in not accepting the primacy of the opinion of the Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court in the manner of appointment of Lokayukt has created a crisis situation.
By the governor.
The Chief Minister, according to the judgment, has acted in violation of Section 3 of the Act and 163 of the Constitution.
Section 3.
Section 3 and 163 of the Constitution. It's a serious charge.
Let me give you an example.
Yes, Mr. Kumar?
Let me give you an example.
Arnab.
Yes, Mr. Kumar.
I'll give you an example, Arnab, that if there is a recommendation made by the Chief Justice of India for appointment of a judge in a Supreme Court or in the High Court or a Chief Justice, when the matter goes to the executive, the executive can raise an objection and say that this, for A, B, C, D reason, this person ought not to be appointed.
Section 3
now, if the executive takes that decision, and gives a recommendation to the Chief Justice of India that for that A, B, C, D reason exists, and that ABCD reason is on record,
That's
Goyal.
then the Chief Justice of
Mr.
India
Goyal.
will also have a relook in the
That's
matter.
a rule.
So therefore, it is
For
not,
appointment,
it is not that
for
the Chief
appointment,
Justice
appointment
has the
of
primacy.
judges, there is a
Number
different
one.
rule.
Number
The
two,
rule itself
Mr.
provides this
Goyal is
power.
Mr. Goyal is taking a wrong submission that whatever parliamentary debate or assembly debate is the law. The law is what is written in black and white, not what is written in
Sir,
the
the law,
parliamentary
it
debate
says the
or
primacy.
legislative
No.
debate.
There is
therefore,
Supreme
don't
Court
go by
judgment.
example.
There is a
Sir, the
Supreme
law
Court
says,
judgment.
sir, the law
That
says
is
the
not
chief.
a question of
More-
argument.
more-
Sir, the
There
law
is no
says the
question
Chief
of
Justice has the last
intention
word.
of
It is written here
legislators.
in this black and white.
Sir, the law says the
And
Chief Justice has the last
you,
word.
You cannot go by what was argued in the debate in the House. Now the law
Not
says here,
argued. It was the mover of the bill has accepted.
that even the leader of opposition is a person who is to be consulted. Now, leader of opposition holds the cabinet rank of a minister.
Sir,
And the cabinet rank of a minister is also a public servant under Section 21.
No, look
of
at the
Penal
charges
Code.
here.
Supposing the leader of opposition is to be inquired.
he arguing here?
If the leader of opposition is to be
1 minute.
inquired
Vinod
into
Sharma wants to
and he is
respond to you.
be charged by the Lok Ayuk, then that leader of opposition can be
Ranjit Kumar.
consulted.
1 minute.
Government will not
Sir,
be
look at,
consulted.
sir, the question is,
Really-
sir, Mr. Ranjit Kumar,
Really confused.
Mr. Just 1 second, Vinod Sharma. Vinod Sharma.
Diverting debate from one end to another.
Vinod Sharma is responding. Vinod
Very
Sharma.
good tactic to divert the...
Mr. Sharma.
Sir, please. So why are you arguing here? Out of 3 judges, 2 judges have taken a view. We don't have the details before us, Mr. Ranjit Kumar. They have in their wisdom taken a decision. If you have arguments to make, you can make them in the Supreme Court. They have upheld the supremacy of the Chief Justice of India, the Chief Justice of Gujarat, his primacy in the selection of Lok Ayukta. There have been exchange of letters between the Chief Minister and the Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court. There have been exchange of letters or consultations between the Governor, the Chief Justice and the Chief Minister. The matter
And
was
Chief
not
Minister.
resolved. The Chief Minister objected to 2 names and not 1. Earlier Justice Dave, later Justice Mehta, and he
R.
wanted
Mehta.
Justice Vora. Now the Governor has signed an order, a decree appointing a Lok Ayukta
Yeah.
on the basis of the advice of
Yeah.
the Chief Justice of Gujarat.
Yeah,
Now this could be a debatable issue,
it can
but
be.
the High Court has taken a view on this. So what are we arguing?
Well, I think...
Unless
I was only
Until
rebutting to what has been argued
stayed
here.
or
I am not
rejected
aware
by
of
the
any
Supreme
judgment.
Court, that is a
I
law.
have not been told about any
That is a
judgment.
law as interpreted by the High
I am not aware
Court.
that the High Court has given any judgment.
Isn't
Sir-
it?
Please accept
Sir, you're a
that.
lawyer, tell
I
me.
do not know that the High Court of Gujarat has given a judgment. I do not know that. You are telling me for the first time, and
They-
I am hearing it from your voice, that the Gujarat High Court has given a judgment.
They are given a
I am
judgment.
not aware of it, so I don't want to comment on it.
Today,
So that's what the whole debate is about, and therefore the question...
today they have given a judgment.
That's-
And all this while you have been commenting on the judgment.
Well, you know, the whole
No, I have
issue...
not been commenting on the judgment. I
Well-
am looking at the act and telling you what the act is.
Well, I
That's
think
all.
this becomes a matter...
Arre, you
I came
don't
in
have-
late. I came
Well,
in
I
late
think,
in this conversation.
I
did
think,
not
one
know about the
second,
judgment.
gentlemen, I think today the point is this, and I think one point is well taken. This is not a fight between BJP and Congress. It's not a fight between Governor and Chief Minister alone. It is actually, if you look at the judgment, it is a question of the judiciary telling Mr. Narendra Modi that, look here, the Chief Justice has the last word. Please don't try and get into it.
Yeah.
It will have a massive impact on the appointment of Lok Ayuks, not just in Gujarat, but all over. The story will be followed. I think federalism is only one angle of it. Gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you for joining me on News Hour Debate 1 tonight. Thank you very much indeed.